Section 1. Eat better, feel stronger. Your guide to plant-based meats. Switching to plant-based meats can help you feel healthier and more energetic without giving up the foods you love. This guide is for anyone who wants to make smarter choices at the supermarket, whether you're trying to eat less meat or you already follow a plant-based diet. It can be confusing to know which products are best for you. We will look at the options together, making it simple to pick the healthiest plant-based meats for you and your family. Let's make your next meal both delicious and incredibly good for your body, helping you build a foundation of wellness one bite at a time. This guide will show you exactly what to look for when you are shopping. We will explore the different types of plant-based meats available, juicy burgers, and tasty sausages. Section 2. What are plant-based meats? A simple start. Let's begin with the basics. Plant-based meats are foods made from plants that are designed to look, cook, and taste like traditional meat. They are created to give you the same satisfying experience you get from eating a burger or a sausage, but without using any animal products. The main ingredients are usually proteins from plants like soy, peas, and wheat. These clever foods offer a wonderful alternative for people who want to reduce their meat intake for health, environmental, or ethical reasons. They provide a familiar texture and flavor that makes the transition simple and enjoyable. These products are becoming more and more popular. You can now find them in most supermarkets. The range is growing all the time. You can find plant-based versions of almost any meat product. The most common types are burgers, sausages, mince for making dishes like bolognese, and deli slices. This variety means you do not have to miss out on your favorite meals. Just swap the meat component. The magic behind these foods comes from food science. Experts have replicated meat texture and juiciness using only plant ingredients. They use coconut oil to mimic fat. They use natural flavorings from vegetables and yeasts for savory taste. Even color is considered. Beet juice is sometimes added, so a burger can bleed. Many people, even meat eaters, find it hard to tell the difference. These are modern foods made to make plant-based eating more accessible and convenient. They are different from traditional vegetarian foods like tofu and tempeh. Plant-based meats are made to be direct substitutes for animal meat in familiar dishes, great bridge foods for flexitarians, and convenient for vegans and vegetarians who want quick, modern meal solutions. Section 3. Plant-based burgers, the stars of the show. Plant-based burgers are often the first product people try when exploring meat alternatives, and for good reason. They are delicious, they are convenient, they are widely available. Beyond Meat, famous for its juicy meat-like texture. Impossible Burger, known for its rich flavor. Linda McCartney Foods, a long-standing vegetarian favorite. These brands offer a fantastic starting point for anyone curious about trying a plant-based burger for the first time. When we look at the nutrition, plant-based burgers often have some great advantages. They typically contain a good amount of protein, often from peas or from soy. This protein can be comparable to a beef burger. A key benefit is that they have zero cholesterol. Cholesterol is only found in animal products. They are also a good source of fiber, something meat contains none of. However, it is wise to check the fat and sodium content. While some burgers use healthy fats, others can be high in saturated fat and salt. So reading the label is always a smart move. Incorporating plant-based burgers into your meals is incredibly easy and versatile. The most classic way, on a wholemeal bun with your favorite toppings. Wholemeal bun with patty, lettuce, tomato, onion, and a little bit of mustard. For a lower carb option, serve the cooked patty on a large fresh salad with a light vinaigrette. Crumble the cooked patty as a meaty topping for a baked potato, or stir crumbles into a simple pasta sauce for a quick weeknight dinner. These burgers are a fantastic choice for almost everyone. Flexitarians, an easy, satisfying swap on meat-free days. Athletes, a high-protein option to support muscle repair and growth. Vegans and vegetarians, convenient, tasty, and low prep. They truly are a versatile product, a cornerstone of the modern plant-based diet and a simple pleasure to enjoy. Section 4. Plant-based sausages. A healthy twist on a classic. Plant-based sausages offer a wonderful way to enjoy a comforting classic meal with a healthy update. Whether you fancy a weekend breakfast or a hearty dinner, there is a plant-based sausage for you. Some of the leading examples you will find on the shelves include Richmond meat-free sausages, which are very popular for their familiar taste and texture. Another top choice is the Beyond sausage, which is well regarded for its satisfying, juicy bite. You should also look out for products from brands like Heck, which offers a range of flavorful plant-based sausages that are perfect for various recipes and cooking styles. Nutritionally, plant-based sausages can be a very smart choice compared to their pork counterparts. They generally offer a good source of protein. Similar to burgers, they contain no cholesterol and often provide a helpful amount of dietary fiber, which is great for your digestion. Pork sausages are often very high in saturated fat, but many plant-based versions are significantly lower. It is still important to check the sodium levels, as some can be quite salty, but overall, they present a much healthier profile for your body. There are many simple and delicious ways to enjoy plant-based sausages. For a classic meal, serve them with mashed potatoes and gravy, bangers and mash. They are also perfect for a weekend breakfast, served alongside baked beans, mushrooms, and a slice of wholemeal toast. Another easy idea is to slice the cooked sausages and add them to a pasta dish with a simple tomato and vegetable sauce. This makes them a very flexible ingredient to have in your kitchen. Plant-based sausages are particularly great for families who are looking to reduce their meat consumption without causing a fuss. The familiar shape and taste make them an easy swap that children often enjoy. They are also excellent for anyone who wants to lower their intake of saturated fat for better heart health. And of course, a staple for vegans and vegetarians who miss the comforting nature of a sausage-based meal. Plant-based mince is one of the most useful and versatile products you can have in your fridge or freezer. It lets you recreate a huge variety of family-favorite dishes without meat. At the supermarket, look for top brands like Meatless Farm, which produces a mince that cooks and tastes very much like beef mince. Another excellent option is Vivera, which offers a popular plant-based mince that holds its texture well in sauces. Or try supermarket-owned brand mince for an affordable, high-quality option. Nutritionally, plant-based mince has key benefits over beef. It's a strong source of protein from soy and pea, rivaling meat. Much lower in saturated fat, good for cholesterol. Provides fiber, aids digestion and keeps you full. Choose low-sodium versions when possible. Uses are almost endless. A true kitchen hero. Make a rich spaghetti bolognese, brown mince with onions and garlic, then add tomatoes and herbs. Or make a hearty chili con carne or chili sin carne by adding beans, spices, peppers. Use as filling for shepherd's pie, topped with mashed potato or sweet potato, for a comforting and wholesome family dinner that everyone is sure to enjoy. Perfect for families with children, flexitarians, vegans and vegetarians, opens up possibilities from tacos to lasagna, keeping meals varied, satisfying and plant-powered goodness. Making a quick and healthy lunch can be simple with plant-based deli slices. These are pre-cooked, ready to eat, designed to replace ham, turkey or other sandwich meats. They offer a convenient way to make a satisfying sandwich without any animal products. Some of the best examples to look for in the chilled section of your store include Quorn's vegan ham-free slices, which have a classic taste and texture. Another great brand is Tofu, which makes a variety of flavored slices like hickory smoked. You might also find excellent options from Squeaky Bean, known for their tasty and realistic sandwich slices. When comparing them to traditional processed deli meats, plant-based slices often come out ahead on several nutritional points. They are generally much lower in saturated fat and, most importantly, contain none of the nitrates or nitrites often used to preserve processed meats, which have been linked to health concerns. They still provide a source of protein to help keep you full through the afternoon. As with other plant-based products, they are also free of cholesterol. Always take a quick look at the sodium content on the label, as some brands can be salty, but many healthy options are available. Using these slices is incredibly straightforward. The most obvious way is to make a classic sandwich or a wrap. Simply layer the slices onto wholemeal bread with some salad and a touch of mustard or hummus. You can also chop the slices up and add them to a fresh garden salad. For a different idea, try dicing the slices and stirring them into a simple pasta salad with sweet corn and a light dressing for an easy-packed lunch that you can prepare the night before a busy day. Plant-based deli slices are perfect for busy professionals or parents who need to make packed lunches quickly and easily. They offer a no-fuss, no-cook solution that is both tasty and healthier than many traditional options, a convenient savory protein for long-term vegans and vegetarians too. Choosing plant-based meats offers significant benefits that go far beyond just your dinner plate. From a health perspective, a diet rich in plant foods is linked to a lower risk of many chronic diseases. According to a large study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association, higher consumption of plant-based foods is associated with a lower risk of heart disease. By swapping meat for plant-based alternatives, you are often reducing your intake of saturated fat and cholesterol while increasing your intake of fiber, a fantastic combination for a healthy heart and digestive system. The positive impact on our environment is another powerful reason to embrace plant-based eating. Producing meat, especially beef, requires vast amounts of land, water, and energy. It is also a major source of greenhouse gas emissions. In contrast, producing plant-based meats is much more sustainable. The Good Food Institute highlights producing a plant-based burger can use up to 99% less water and 95% less land than a conventional beef burger. By making this simple switch, you are contributing to a healthier planet for future generations to enjoy. Another wonderful benefit is the exciting expansion of taste and variety in your diet. The world of plant-based meats is constantly innovating, bringing new flavors and textures to the market. You can explore different spice combinations and cooking methods, discovering delicious meals you might never have considered before. This culinary adventure can make eating more enjoyable and interesting, proving that a healthy diet does not have to be boring or restrictive. Ultimately, incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet is an empowering act of self-care, supporting your long-term health and a more sustainable, kinder food system. Every time you choose a plant-based burger or mince, you are casting a vote for a better future. This simple dietary shift is a powerful tool for personal and global well-being. Small changes can make a very big difference. While plant-based meats offer many health benefits, it is important to be a mindful shopper and not assume that all products are created equal. Some of these foods can be highly processed and may contain high levels of sodium or salt, which is often used to enhance flavor. A diet that is too high in sodium can contribute to high blood pressure, so it is always a good idea to check the nutritional information on the back of the package. Look for the amount of salt per 100 grams and try to choose lower sodium versions. Another thing to be aware of is the list of ingredients. While many plant-based meats are made from simple, whole food ingredients like peas or soy, others may have a long list of additives, preservatives, and artificial flavorings. A good rule of thumb is to choose products with shorter ingredient lists that you recognize. This does not mean you must avoid all processed foods, just be aware of what you are eating. It is also wise to look at the fat content, particularly saturated fat. Some plant-based products use oils like coconut oil to create a juicy, fatty texture that mimics meat. While tasty, coconut oil is high in saturated fat. A little bit is fine, but if you are eating these products regularly, it is better to look for options that are lower in saturated fat. Many brands are now using healthier oils like rapeseed or sunflower oil. Being a smart shopper is not about being perfect, it is about being informed. By taking just a few extra seconds to scan the label, you can easily distinguish between a healthier option and a less ideal one. This simple habit will help you navigate the ever-growing plant-based section with confidence, ensuring that the foods you choose are not only delicious and convenient, but also truly supportive of your long-term health and well-being goals. Your body will thank you for making these thoughtful choices. We have explored the wonderful world of plant-based meats, juicy burgers, versatile mints. You now know what they are, which brands to look for, how they can benefit your health and the planet. We've seen how they compare to meat, simple ways to add them to your meals. We have also learned the importance of reading the label. Check for salt, check for fat. The knowledge you have gained today puts you in a great position to make smart, healthy choices when you shop. Making positive changes does not have to be difficult. Start small. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Even one small swap can make a difference to your health and well-being. Choose a plant-based option for just one meal. A fantastic step in the right direction. Progress, not perfection. Every positive choice is a victory for your health. Feeling good starts with the food you put into your body. A simple, friendly challenge. This week, pick up one new plant-based meat product. A pack of plant-based sausages for a weekend breakfast, some mince for a midweek bolognese, or some deli slices for your lunchtime sandwich. Choose whichever one seems most appealing to you. Give it a try. You might discover a new favorite that's delicious and good for you. This small step is an investment in your future health, moves you closer to a diet kinder to your body and kinder to the world. Explore the plant-based aisle with confidence. Stop guessing and start choosing foods that help you feel stronger, more energetic, healthier for years to come. Your journey to better eating starts with one simple choice. Make that choice this week. You have the power to create a healthier you, one delicious meal at a time. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.